Well, this has been a very nice, relaxing spot here. It's been pretty mellow here. A lot of people just kind of driving through during the day, but really no other campers, so we've had the whole place to ourselves as far as the campground goes. Been over here on the side here, had to get my van up on a couple blocks to kind of level out, and we just enjoyed being here in the woods. Right next to the river here. Did have one fire. We were able to collect some wood around here and let it dry out during the sunny days. Had a nice campfire last night. But it's time to move on. We're probably only going to spend one other night here in Georgia before we move into Florida. So after our winter stay in Florida, we will be coming back up through Georgia and the Carolinas and that. So we're going to plan to explore those states more in the spring. But for now, we're going to move down into Florida, and this will be really my first time. I've been to Florida before, but my first time kind of doing the van thing and trying to find free camps and such. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. Adventure continues. It is go time. We are going to do about 2 hours of driving today. We actually do an overnight in town. We're going to stop and do laundry and grab a shower. Because our next stop the following day will be a 7-day camp, kind of rural, in Florida. We want to get set up for that. We're going to be spending the Christmas holiday at that camp, so we're going to stop and get a few extra grocery items to do kind of a special dinner. Should be a good time. We're looking forward to getting back on the road, getting into Florida. It should be fun. Kind of a new adventure for me. Usually spend my time out in the Southwest this time of year. Geez, for the last 6 years, living in a van. Someone's going to have to help me with this. Oconee River Campground, Oconee National Forest. This is a $5 a night campground, but they honor the America the Beautiful Pass. We did about 5 nights. Away we go. Old buildings here, downtown Greensboro. So you continue on. Looks like we're going to be on Highway 44 West for a little bit. Making our way into Byron, Georgia for laundry and showers, groceries. Looks like a cotton field there off to the left. Well, another night overnighting in a city parking lot. Let's see what's going on out here. Did get a little bit of more rain last night, and it looks like we've got some pretty good fog settled in here. So I'm going to get up here and get ready. We're going to get early start, get on the road, and be moving into Florida this morning. Excited. Okay, it is go time. Florida, here we come. Got about a 3.5 hour drive ahead of us. I think 160 miles or so. I'm going to be able to stay off the interstates, which is nice. Well, our overnight stay in town went just fine. It's quiet. Actually got a really good night's sleep. We are on Highway 300 South, the Georgia-Florida Parkway. Got a foggy morning this morning. Hopefully this will burn off here soon. Away we go. we are. We just crossed the Florida state line. We're crossing the Chattahoochee River. That came quick. There wasn't really a sign. So, hello Florida, goodbye Georgia. Alright, this looks like our turn here. Oh, Cotton Landing. Alcoholic beverages are prohibited here. No drinking, guys. No boozing it up here at Cotton Landing. So we're going to make our way in here. We're going to be here for the Christmas holiday. We were hoping that we would have cell service at the camp. It looking like we probably will not, unless the signal comes back here, but it seems to be dropping off. So I may have to ride my bike out to the road to make a call to my family on Christmas Day. It looks nice in here amongst the trees. Gosh, those clear blue skies look so nice against these green trees. What a difference from just like 2 days ago where we were camped in central Georgia. Well, this looks like our spot here. Looks like some day use folks here. Thank you. The sign said that day use is allowed from dusk to dawn. Nice little day use area. Some covered picnic benches. Looks like a big porta potty. A little grassy area under the oak tree with a little, it looked like a boat ramp. That guy had a little boat. I don't think he could launch it from here. This is more of a kayak canoe. You can't back down in that boat ramp. He must have figured that out once he got here. And it looks wide open here. There's no other campers. This is pretty nice, huh?
Really nice. It'll be even nicer if nobody else comes down here.
I know, I'm kind of surprised that there's no other campers. Well, this little camping area just looks awesome. They don't allow motorhomes or RVs in these travel trailers or anything like that. I think the website said vans and truck campers are the biggest you get. I think there's a size limit on truck campers. Alright, let's check this out. This place is pretty sweet. They are actually tent camping sites. So you've got room to pitch a tent there, which we'll probably do to just store some stuff. And then we were able to park right over here. Got kind of level side by side. So this should work out right here, tucked in these big oak trees. What do you think?
I think it's going to be great. And it'll be even better if we don't have any, to get the whole joint to ourselves.
Any neighbors? Well, we
With
have
a sweet kayak launch.
We have one neighbor. I found this little lizard over here on the trash can.
Here, lizard, lizard, lizard.
Buddy?
He's a dumpster diver.
He was on the trash can. We'll let him go here. They actually changed color. He was bright green when I picked him up. He's starting to turn brown. There you go. There he goes. Well, first things first, we got to get some food in us. We grilled up some chicken the other night over the campfire. Kelly made a little chicken salad with it, doing some cabbage and peppers, cheese on pita bread. You got some arugulas.
I'm doing arugula, brie, and cranberry.
Ooh, fancy. All right. Okay, we got her folded up there. Let's give it a try. I'm so hungry, anything will taste good. No, that is tasty. Okay, so here's a new addition to the van. I've got a couple other of these Ryobi battery powered tools that use the 18-volt battery pack, the lithium battery packs. So I picked up the chainsaw. It's got a 10-inch and a 12-inch. This is the 10-inch. And I'm going to give it a shot here, see how it works. Well, it does seem to cut pretty good. It does have a little tank for the bar and chain oil. Just kind of push this here to get the oil pumping on the chain. So yeah, I won't be cutting anything too rugged with it, but it should come in handy. Takes up a pretty small amount of space here. Size comparison, you know. There's my hand on the blade. So I'll tuck that away in the back of the van when I'm not using it.